Hey guys, welcome to this channel. It's McLaughlin channel, and today's video we're going to be doing a sound pressure video on today's video. And also, as you can still see here, I placed the amplifier here and the mixer board here. We're going to continue blowing up Philips speakers here because I know that as I'm in the previous video when I started filming a video called sound pressure. Hang on a second, let me just speak. So that Philips speaker right here, we're gonna blow them up because in the previous video when I started filming a video there, when I went to my dad's house, I used the Sony receiver to blow them up to see how long is it gonna, how long of period of time will it take for it to blow it up. And I don't hear no broken voice cord coming out there, or either I see a smoke just coming out of there. But that's a massive explosion, like a clip of a scene in real life. It's like a deep impact, you know. It's like it starts to impact when the smoke starts to explode. That was from that receiver. But my receiver, I thought my Sony receiver have enough power to blow that speaker. I thought Sony receiver would blow that speaker. I want to hear the broken voice cord. It starts, yeah. But it's funny that I'm still using that amplifier there because this one says 1,000 watt. I'm still gonna hear the broken voice. I'm still gonna hear the broken voice cord after it blows up because, you know, this amplifier looks really different compared to my receiver because this one says 1,000 watts and the brand name is Pyramid, and this is the one I'm using right now to do a video. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing a 30-minute video just to let you guys know I'm still doing it. Okay, so I'm only doing a 30-minute video just to do a sound pressure video or whatever. We got 30 minutes. I'm only gonna do a 30-minute video in case if the speaker doesn't blow. In case if the amplifier doesn't blow that speaker, it's better to do a live after I finish the video. So yeah, this song I'm gonna be playing right now. I'm still using the iPod Touch. My iPod Nano is at home. All right, so my iPod is plugged through the mixer board and everything, and let's get started with that. My song I'm gonna be playing right now is "Blow the Speaker Just Like a Gun." Here we go. Now. Same thing as driving cars. I'm still gonna turn it up into volume limits. And this shit is gonna be loud.
Amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey. It reminds me of bring it up really hard, up to maximum range. I like to go and be rich, making millions and billions. Yeah. People have to go to work and make like millions and millions. People are rich, and that's why they afford an iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I'm broke as hell. I don't have enough money to buy an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey. Oh, just me, man.
And his mom told me that his house is really big.
Too much pressure. People were fighting to have their gun and I stressed out. And I really want to go to the therapy. So help me calm down. People want to get rich. I want to get rich too. I wish I would start a job so I can make some money today. I'm pretty surprised that people are working hard to make some money, yeah? I don't have a job yet.
forgot to tell you in the previous video in the beginning that this AC needs to turn on, so I can cool myself off as I'm filming a video. This attic is too hot in here, so, and his mom told me that she forgot to set up the how am I call it, the AC in the attic. So yeah, coming up next is blow the speaker up, explicit.
in my Twitter, bitch, with my number in the oh, wanna love, I used to have the ready homie. Looking now, I'm about to ride a nigga pony. Yeah, okay, love Cali. You come Polly, he wanna fuck a bad Cali. What is it that you never bow? John Sally, he had the rose in the voice, the tone in his voice. Don't want a good girl, not hoes, it's a choice. Tick on H, pussy on W, down going up, and the ass on cover, ass on the cover, L Majesty, vroom vroom vroom, get gasoline. Could I be your wife? Now we go bang down, I got these niggas put call me the drink.
Guys, so I'm gonna limit the turn it up a little bit so the amplifier won't shut up. Oh, I can feel how hot it is, this amplifier, folks. But at this point, I'm still gonna crank the volume up just a little bit, because sometimes this amplifier will shuts off on me. I don't want that thing to happen.
It's Marlon, yeah. Try to be ambitious, I really wanna go. I wanna have more than one kids. I'm dying to get a girl. I just got a question, actually. I look at girls in cartoons. There's no such things as girls in real life. Wanna be a couple, I'm on the same page as me. Just talk to females. I asked her if she wanna date me. She said no, I'm like some sucks. Started after a whole day to my phone, just so OG. Text messages and then ask my dad, don't try to fool. Comment that, don't talk to females. I just got a crush with her. My feelings are way too deep, too far way up, too deep. Yeah, I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. I just got a crush with her. My feelings are way too deep, too far way up, too deep. Yeah, I really do like her. I really do like her. I really do like her. It's Marlon, yeah.
Kiss It Better, coming up next.
Kiss it better, baby.
Fucking speaker is so strong, right, Diego?
Yeah.
Like I thought this amplifier is gonna blow up that speaker, cause this one says 1,000 watts, so it tells me it has more power.
Yeah, and this one has two.
Yeah, I see it. I saw it. There you go. So the speaker won't move anymore. Stay right here. This is New York City. Gotta be working. So what will happen if you guys party with this amplifier and you play music and the volume increase? Well, what will happen if this amplifier blow up that speaker? If you go out and party and when you crank the volume up, this amplifier will blow that speaker. And I thought this amplifier itself it's gonna blow that speaker. But continue with that. Coming up next is Pray for the God. I'm thinking in the future I'm gonna buy like a crown amplifier that has more wattage, more power. So yeah, because I thought this amplifier itself it's gonna blow that speaker, but it's not. This amplifier itself doesn't have enough power to blow that speaker because freaking speakers Philips speaker that from the radio, Philips FW M5889. This speaker is strong. So, anyways, I'm gonna play that song next, right now.
Pray for the guy. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind, I do not want to stay here forever. It's late. I want to stay alive for good. Even though life it could be nothing special, perfect for everyone. I pray for the God for Jesus. My feelings in my heart is true. Let's go. As long as I can stay, I will be okay. I want to live in earth forever. Church and sing as a choir. We already just got there in church. My mind is going positive. I hope that Jesus is doing good. Bible said, Lord, this is my strength. I promise Jesus you are giving hope. I have freedom from the countries. Let's go. I was born as his plan for the God. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. I was up in a
Saying I hear music and my feelings. Speakers are like strong right now.
I make myself
Anyways,
better. Music will help feeling better. One day I will listen to Christian music. No one singing choirs make me happy. I hear the music playing during church. My feelings in my heart is true. I want to live in earth rather die. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind, negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind.
Play that song right now. It's Miss Tracy.
Let's go. Beat that up.
Todd, can you play that again?
Do that uncle hopping. Jump, hop, oh. Jump, hop, oh. Jump, oh. All night long. Feet to the pedal. Pedal to the pedal. Pedal. Feet to the pedal. Pedal to the pedal. Feet to the pedal. Pedal to the pedal. Pedal. Feet to the pedal. Pedal to the pedal.
Then around, then
now rock it, twist. Rock it, twist. Rock it, twist. Wait, slow motion. Down. Down. Slow motion. Down. Wait, down. Slow motion. Down. Down. Slow motion. Down. One leg it back. 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 Now lean it back. Let them show the style. Let them show the style. Let them show the style. Let them show the lean it back. Let them show the style. Let them show the style. Let them show the style. Do that uncle running. Jump, oh! Oh! Jump, oh! Alright, now feet to the pedal. Feet to the pedal.
Bend around, then
Now rock and twist. That rock and twist. Rock and twist. Oh, that rock and twist. Rock and twist. Rock and twist. That rock and twist. Wait, slow motion. Down. Down. Slow motion. Down. Wait, slow motion. I said it's smooth, man. Smooth eyes. Smoothie brothers. And I'm from Jersey.
I can see the edge is like it's ripping.
Yeah.
Now I can still see. I want to see the smoke. Diego, leave it alone. I want to see if the smoke is starts to blow up. That was from the voice coil.
That speaker would fall down if we don't keep it steady. If we don't keep it still.
Te amo de mala, mala. Quieres solo bailar en la cama, cama. Le digo que no necesitas nada, nada. Yeah, she look like money in that Prada, Prada. Dígame ahorita, baby, dale. Yo que me suena con tu bombe. Arriba la vida, with the highlight. I give you anything that you want. Let me call the song. She dancing right in front of me. She got me when she wanted me. Yeah, every time she touching me. She got me when she wanted me. Necesita, baby, te amo de mala, mala. Quieres solo bailar en la cama, cama. Le digo que no necesitas nada, nada. Yeah, she look like money in that Prada, Prada. Dígame ahorita, baby, dale. Yo que me suena con tu bombe. Deje que pase lo que pase. I give you anything that you want. Let me call the song. She dancing right in front of me. She got me when she wanted me. Yeah, every time she touching me. She got me when she wanted me. Necesita, baby, Latino gang, negra, blanco, samba. Una de las tres, hoy no se me salva. Ojo chiquitico y cara de santa. Ya no me conoce, pero todas me las canta. En Instagram pa' que yo la tiré, pero nunca me lo imaginé. Como ella no me seguía, yo pensé que ella sabía de mi vida, sabía. Para bailar, baby, para tocarte, mamá, necesita, baby, mamá, baby, mamá,
Smell it, right? Smells like. What does it smell like?
Oh.
Or smell that woofer.
Oh.
On the beat, hit speakers. I'm doing reason. Stereo season. Speakers bleeding. You don't know me. It's the way I ease it. I'm leaving. I know you rumble. Humble. Kiss a klepto. Me told I love you. Really don't want you. Sometimes I just wanna touch you. I know some feeling. I ain't fucking seen it. She's a queen, she's queen, and I'm a king on new beginnings. When the beat hits speakers, I'm going preaching. You're the one listening. I'm going teaching. Listen closely, bro. Shout out to the OG flow. And that means my OTO. No guts, no glory, ho. Prime season. Two vision. So take the picture, bitch. See my believers. Yes, and let's go. Start preaching story, yo. None of you liars, we like both. The flow. Go. Aim and shoot. Dallas with the post. Bitch, say cheese. Nigga, just up believe. Tired strap, make believe. She see me, she freeze. Fresh and evergreens. Back you down and crease. Enemies to seize. And you leave me alone. I just wanna be. Can you let me go? You set me free. Beginnings. Me and my team, we dreaming. Me and my team, we winning. Laughing out loud, we singing. Yeah, on new beginnings. Me and my team, we dreaming. Me and my team, we winning.
I can see the voice cord is ripping out. Except this one right here. Ooh, I can feel how warm this woofer is. I touched it. Okay, what do I want to play next?
If we can get back on that.
us to college. Learn about the enemies. Master will teach us the way how to animate. I spend time to draw. Take my time to draw. Joining each key frame by frame. Always a cause. Take my time to do my work. I see some books and words that make me so deep in my heart. I just get you through. That's how I feel.
What's it smells like, Diego?
They were just ignoring me.
Oh, I smell it.
Smell it, smell it, smell it.
Dad told me no cartoons so I could learn how to talk to people.
What does it smell like?
Girls are rejecting me.
It smells like dog piss in here.
What? It smells like burn?
Yeah, something burning.
Really?
Yeah.
Touch that speaker. See how?
Feels kind of cold.
No, try that one.
Oh, it feels warm.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't believe this.
It smells like dog urine.
Okay, I gotta stop recording because it's gonna. And my battery's running out, so I gotta stop recording real quick. All right, so it's a way past 30 minutes, guys. Like I thought I was gonna leave that camera running that long until I see the speaker blew up, but this speaker ain't blew up. The amplifier doesn't have enough power to blow the speaker. So I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna move on to the next live stream. But as I'm uploading the video and you guys watching it, I'm gonna announce everyone that after I finish filming the video with my video camera, I'm still gonna pull out my phone and start live streaming it. Oh my gosh, this edge of that speaker is ripped. So yeah, stay tuned for the live stream, guys. I'm gonna stop recording.